Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the alvorog 3-tire rolling utility cart. It is a storage shovels multifunction storage trolley. Service cart with mesh basket handles and wheels. Oh yeah, so you can drive around with it. It is easy to assemble for bathroom, kitchen, office, etc. It is available in black or in white. I choose the black version because I like black. Black is beautiful, isn't it? The storage rolling cart is made of high-quality steel and has the feature of anti-corrosion, waterproof and scratch-resistant. The thick metal frame makes it sturdy enough to hold up to 200 lbs. You have 3 tires utility cart. It provides large storage space while saving your floor space to optimize the area utilization as much as possible. You have a great storage solution for a small kitchen, for example. It is equipped with 4 rubber wheels. 2 are lockable. And the handle design, it makes it easy and convenient to keep the serving cart rolled around to anywhere you need it or place at a permanent place by using the lockable wheels. That rolling utility cart is easy storage and is transportation able as an art cart, bathroom cart, or a bar cart, or a craft cart, a baby room cart, a organization rat, a serving cart, storage shelves, a tools cart, etc. The black color and the whole basket design make that cart look stylish, elegant, and cute to decorate your indoor or outdoor spaces. It fit various styles of interior design and offer useful storage spaces for you at home, indoor and outdoor. You have a hollow covered design. This small mesh gives maximum ventilation. It will prevent odor smell, and the small objects cannot fall through the grids. You have a stable storage cart here with double layer screw design, double layer protection. That product has higher stability and load bearing capacity, and it's really easy to assemble. You have a super mute design, a 360 degrees rotation, and the locking function. And the material of the baskets are ABS, sturdy and stable, anti-corrosion, anti-rust, waterproof and scratch resistant. And it is not easy to deform. And this is good in this part. If you have, for example, a metal, it is easy to deform and easy to rust. Here the ABS features are better, isn't it? And you have a removable handle. The arc handle design provides intimate protection and easy to move. The dimensions are in the total height 87 centimeters. These are 34.25 inches. The other dimensions are 42 centimeters. These are 16.53 inches to 35 centimeters. These are 13.77 inches. And each basket is 40 centimeters. These are 15.7 inches to 30 centimeters. These are 11.8 inches. And the load capacity, each basket is 66 lbs. This is enough to use your alvorog 3-tire rolling utility cart where you are using it. For example, in the kitchen, in the bathroom, in the office, everywhere you can use it. And now let's start to assemble it. It is really easy. You have some tubes. These tubes you have to push in one line. After this, you have to use the screws. And if everything is attached easily, then get the wheels on the bottom side, and then job's done. Have fun with it. It is really easy to assemble. Nice device. I like it really much. It will help me to save some storage. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.